What's up, guys? What's going on? I'm about to do my first unboxing video, I suppose. And I just got a package from a special someone, and I'm not gonna say anything. But this package it was kind of a surprise, and it was kind of like, hey, I got you this. Really? No way. And it's coming tomorrow. What? And I just got it this morning. So you guys are probably wondering what it is. I already know what it is, but I did not open it. As you can see, the package is not open. I'm not going to flip it around, but take my word for it, it's not open, because I'm not going to show the sender's name. But this package came from none other than Rocket Rider 510. Send Viper a package again. Actually, this is his first time, so it wouldn't be again. But he sent me a package. I know what it is, but I don't know what it is. So if that makes any sense. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing. Let's get to opening this. So let's see if I could do this with one hand. As you can see, it's not easy doing this with one hand. I should have put this camera on a tripod. There we go. Alright, so it's super tiny, guys. I mean, look how small this is. So here we go. First time seeing this. Full HD webcam. Full HD webcam. So let's see here. I'm gonna open this up. This is my first webcam that I've owned since 2005 or 6. Or at least that's what the drivers say for my old webcam that doesn't work. So here we go. Come on. So what do we got here? We got a cardboard box and some warranty instructions, which that doesn't matter. Then we got a half-ass packaged. Literally, I mean, look, right? Half-ass, but I guess they packaged the right part, right? They took care of it. So let's pull this off. Oh, look at it! It's so tiny. Oh, it's so small. Look at it. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, no way. And it actually has a tripod mount. Oh, that's actually really good. Because I was worried about where and how, because I don't have space where my computer is. I was thinking, how am I going to mount this on the TV or what? So there it is. There it is. Oh, heck yeah. I'm going to be able to use my tripod mount. That is awesome, dude. No way. And it's USB. I'll be able to just plug it in the back. Perfect. Thank you, Rocket. At least it's not like fake salami or fake something. That's probably Rocket right now. Let's see. Nope, not Rocket. So I like it because there's actually no writing on this. It's like it's clean, you know. There's no like name brand written across it, you know. Oh, my OCD is satisfied right now. So now the last thing to do is to plug it in and test it out. And conveniently enough, today is October 31st, 2020, which means it's Halloween. And Rocket is hosting his live stream on his channel tonight at 7 o'clock p.m. No sponsors. But, you know, Gallo, get your shit together, man. You need to sponsor Rocket. But yeah, tonight's his stream, Halloween stream, so this is perfect, man. He surprised me with this for the stream, for his 200th, I don't even know how to say that, 200 live streams. Man, that's insane that this guy has had 200 continuous live streams. King of Saturday Night Live. So I cannot wait to get this installed. Man, this is going to be so great. I'll be able to do live streams and gaming and everything on this. It's really cool, man. I'm really surprised and happy. Thank you, Rocket. And I think it has a built-in microphone. So I'm going to have to figure out how to either disable the mic on my gaming headset or disable the mic on this. Either way, one of them has to be disabled. Alright guys, well that's my first unboxing video of full HD webcam. Built-in microphone, yep, and compatible with USB 2.0, 1080p. Yeah, designed for laptops and desktops. Well, it's not gonna go on a... Well, it is gonna go on a desktop, just not a laptop. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that quick little unboxing video. You know, Rocket's little mini care package. So I gotta get him back now. I gotta send him another something for him. So hopefully he doesn't go to the post office and, like, you know, I mean, he's been pretty good with going to the post office lately. So, you know, granted, shit always happens when he goes there, but hopefully he can go there and get my package, and I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna get him. I don't know. So alright guys, well that's that. I'll see you guys on the next one. I just got this. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go install it right now and see how it works. I'm gonna mount my tripod to that. That is a cool feature, I must say. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.